What is a small estate affidavit in Illinois? I'm Jason Taken, owner of Taken Law. We do real estate, probate, and estate planning. And if you have any questions related to that, my number and website are in the description of the video. So, small estate affidavits. They are used in Illinois as a means to avoid the cost of probate and the court involvement of probate, and they allow someone to take the decedent's estate and distribute it, get access to bank accounts, things like that, without letters of office, which is what the probate court would issue. Generally, it is for smaller estates, as the name implies, but the gross limit of the estate is $100,000, and there are a couple other requirements that are in the statute that you need to make sure of prior to embarking on getting a small estate affidavit. Now, what the small estate affidavit does is once it's kind of filled out properly and ready to go, is it allows you to go to a bank, for instance, to get access to bank accounts to kind of handle creditor claims, pay funeral expenses, whatever's going on that you need to get the decedent's money. It allows you to take care of that without having to go to court, wait the time it takes. You don't really even have to hire an attorney. An attorney would be a helpful tool, but it's not something that's required to get the small estate affidavit done. As long as you follow what's in the in the Illinois code about the small estate affidavits, you should be fine. But it's best to at least consult someone who knows what they're talking about. If you do, one of the things that's been happening even recently is that some financial institutions will not recognize the small estate affidavit. So it's important to understand the law. It might even be important to bring a copy of the statute with you to the financial institution and show them that it is it can be used in lieu of letters of office, which is what a lot of these financial institutions are used to seeing. I think that's about it. That's all I wanted to cover. I've seen it as a common question, and I get it as a common question. So the small estate affidavit, remember $100,000. There's a couple other requirements you got to remember in there. You should be able to Google a form. I think it's a standard court form. Cook County's got one for sure. But if you have any questions, go ahead and just give us a call. We can walk you through it. And if there's anything else you want to talk about related to probate, estate planning, or real estate, our number is in the comment, or it's in the description below.